My friends, it's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com, and this is your 10-minute killer core workout, all body weight. Great for everybody. Grab your mat, and let's go. We have the best backdrop in town. Breathing in the nose and out the mouth, modify as needed. Always using control and precision. We have the sun also. So beginning with single leg stretch Pilates 100. 100 pulses. Bring your right knee in, left leg out, stabilize in the core, arms forward. Pump the arms, inhale for 5, exhale for 5 as we switch the legs. Flies on me. Here we go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. One more set of 10. Let's slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs out. Zip up the legs. We call this Pilates stance. Reach forward. 5 breaths. Let's activate the abdominals. Really flood and drench the body with the oxygen. One more breath. Lower the legs. Really get a lot of work into the core. All right, moving into the swimming exercise. Swimming, lower down onto the mat. Arms forward, about shoulder width. Now we're gonna lift opposite arm, opposite leg. Starting here, you can stay here if you like, or you could speed it up for 10 breaths. Either way, here we go. 1. Breathe in for 5 and out for 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those flies. 9. And hold. Superman pose. Arms and legs lifted. Okay, moving into forearm plank with leg lifts. 10 leg lifts. And then moving into side plank. So forearm plank, bring it here first. Got some schmutz on the mat. Take a couple breaths. Okay, now 10 alternating leg lifts. Here we go. Inhale up, exhale down. Don't disturb the rest of the body. Keep it stable. 3, 4, 5, 6. Parallel with the ground. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Forearm side plank. Stagger the feet or stack. The add-on is 10 elbows to knees. Here's the add-on, optional. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good extension. 7. There's a fly on my arm. 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Back to forearm plank. 10 leg lifts. Here we go. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Forearm plank. Side plank. Hold or add the elbow to knee 10 times. Exhale, inhale. 1. A lot of balance. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to forearm plank. One more time. 10 leg lifts. Finish off strong. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Quick shakeout. Ooh, this time goes so quickly. All right, moving on to the slow crisscross and then kick throughs. So let's bring it down onto our backs. Get that rock out of here. Slowly grinding out the abdominals. Right knee in, left leg out. Fingers back of the head. Lift the chest and let's switch. Here's 1 and 2, 3, 4. There it is. 5. Really squeeze the abs. 6. Lift the chest. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Slow it down. Stay lifted all the way through. Good. 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 more. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's reverse the crisscross. Right arm, right leg, 20 times, a little faster. Here we go. 1, 2, big crunch on the sides. 3, 4, 5. How's that feel? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now the kick through. Slow kick through. 10 times. Shoulders back. Here's how we're going to prepare. Somebody bit me, I think. What a day to come out here with all the flies. It's like I'm back in Wisconsin. So we're going to press back into a little Frogger move here, working the glutes. Step the left foot out, kick through, and then back. There's 1. Right foot out, kick. Back. 3. Good movement. And 4. 5. Excellent. Form over everything. 6. How about that? 7. 8. 2 more. Getting some dirt on the mat. That's good. Very rugged. And 10. Quick shake and Superman banana. Switch the cap. I'm gonna face up this way this time. So back down onto our stomachs again. Arms out, just got a couple minutes left. Superman, we lift everything up. Engaging the back, the glutes, the legs, lengthening. Now roll onto your side. Oh, we're gonna have to launder these clothes. Legs in front, arms slightly in front, banana, back to the center. Other side. Ooh, the dirt feels nice and cool. Superman, back and forth. Or just hold the Superman. Again. Am I dirty enough yet? I do love to work out outside, no matter where I am. Let's do 2 more times. Look at that, each side. Superman. The banana full of protein and fiber. Not really much potassium, that's a myth. And once more, there's the banana. And now back to the Superman. Let me brush off for a second. Lift, 5 breaths. There it is. 1 more breath. Strong in the back, strong in the core. And now, come on over. Finish with that hold once more. Hold on the body. Legs forward, heels together, arms forward here or overhead. 10 breaths. It is killer. Killer is in the title. Constant challenge, constant pressure in the abdominals, in the lower back, hips and glutes. Constant movement, constant precision in that movement. 5 more breaths. Little shaking, good. Builds character, get the dirt off me. Dirt adds extra weight, I'm not as aerodynamic. 1 more breath, how you doing? How's that feel? Okay, bring it in and We'll finish here, a little stomach stretch. Hands down. You can do cobra, lifting up like so, or upward facing dog, squeezing the glutes in the back and stretching out the abdominals. And that is your 10-minute killer core workout. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.